Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you how to calculate gradient. As you read in the assignment, the formula is the change in field value over the distance. So this map is asking you to calculate the gradient between A and B. So the top of the formula says we have to find out the difference in the field value. So we need to find out the difference between A and B. The value of A is easy enough. It's 100. The value of B is not as easy. We see that it's close to 79, 78, 77, but it is not directly on those points. And like we learned last week, the lines have to connect points of equal value. So we have to figure out what the value of B is. We have a couple of clues here. It's telling us that the contour interval is 10. So in between each of these lines is worth 10. And we see that this is 100 and this is 50, so the lines are going down. So if this is 100, this would be 90, and this would be 80. If we subtract 100 and 80, we get 20. So the top of our formula would be 20. And our units are meters. Now we have to figure out the bottom of our formula, which is distance. So you're going to have a piece of scrap paper, and you can hold this up to your computer. Later on, you'll have to do an assignment in Google Canvas, and you can just use a scrap paper to figure out the gradient on that one. So you take your scrap paper and you make a line at B, and you make a line at A, and then you just line it up with your scale. We've done this in class with other things. It's very similar. And you get 0.8. So that's the bottom of my formula, is 0.8. And our units for this is kilometers. And then you just divide. And when you divide 20 by 0.8, you should get 25 meters per kilometer. I know you missed my messy writing, but hopefully now you know how to calculate gradient.